Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 8, Video Part 3. Question number 29. Find the area of rectangle with length and breadth equal to 7 meter and 3 centimeter respectively. So we know that area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So 7 multiplied by 3, that is your 21 meter square. It is in the option number A. The 29th answer will be option A. Question number 30. The radius of a circle is 3 centimeter. What is the length of the boundary of the circle? Length of the boundary of the circle, that is your circumference of the circle. This is your 2 pi r. So 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by r is 3 here. So after multiplication, you will get 132 by 7 and after decimal division, you will get 18.85 centimeter. It is in the option number A. The 30 answer will be option A. Question number 31. A square has an area 16 centimeter square. What is the length of each of its side? Okay. Area of the square is given 16 centimeter square. So A multiplied by A can be written as 4 multiplied by 4. That's why A will be written as 4 centimeter. It is in the option number C. 31 answer will be option C. 32. Find the volume of a cuboid of length 1 meter, breadth 50 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. Here you can notice the units are of different variety. So just write volume of the cuboid will be length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So answer is given in meter cube only. So that's why we will just write all the dimension in meter only. So 1 meter will be 1 only and 50 centimeter can be written as 50 upon 100, as we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and 25 centimeter will be written as 25 upon 100 because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and we are converting lower unit to higher unit. That's why we will divide here. Okay. So 50 2s are 100, 25 4s are. This will be equal to 1 upon 8. It is your 0.125 meter cube. It is in the option number C. So 32 answer will be option C. Question number 33. What is the perimeter of the figure? The perimeter of the figure, since it is a semicircle, so it will be your 2 pi r half, means half of the circumference. So this is your pi r plus 2r. From here to here, it is the diameter. So here we can write 2r. Okay? The diameter is given 12 centimeter. So radius will be equal to 12 upon 2. That is your 6 centimeter. ठीक है, तो पाई हो गया आपका 22 upon 7 multiply by 6 plus 2 into 6. Okay, so it will be your 132 by 7 plus 12. It is equal to 18.85 plus 12. That is your 30.85 centimeter. It is in the option number A. The 33rd answer will be option A. Okay, come to question number 34. If length and breadth of a cuboid is 8 centimeter and 2 centimeter, volume of the cuboid is 48 centimeter, find the height of the cuboid. Okay, so we know that volume of the cuboid equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So that's why height will be equal to volume divided by length divided by breadth. The volume is given your 48 upon 8 multiplied by 2 तो हो जाएगा 8 6s are and 2 3s are 6 तो 3 centimeter. It is in the option number A. 34th answer is option A. 35. Length and width of a rectangular field is 7 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of the growing grass on it if it requires rupees 5 to grow grass on 1 meter square area. So first we have to find the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle will be 7 multiplied by 3, that is your 21 meter square. And cost for growing grass will be area multiplied by cost per unit square. So that is your 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 105 rupees. It is in the option number A. 35th answer is option A. Question number 36. Find the area of the following shape. Okay. So this is actually radius is given and it is the semicircle. So semicircle, so when you just divide the area by 2, so you will get the area of the half of the circle. So area of the semicircle will be equal to half into pi by 4 d square. So this is your 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 22 by 7. D is your 4.9 multiplied by 4.9. So 7 sevens are, ठीक है. Now 2 11s are. Now after multiplying these all, it will be 11 sevens are 77. So 7.7 multiplied by 4.9 upon 4, you will get 9.4325 centimeter square. So since all the answers are given with the 2 decimal places only, so it is 9.43 is matching with the option B. So that's why we will choose the answer with the 2 decimal places only. That is your option B. 36th answer will be B. 37. A square shaped cardboard measures 6 meter on one side. What is the perimeter of this cardboard? Very simple. Perimeter of the square board will be 6 multiplied by 4 or 4 multiplied by 6, that is your 24 meter. It is in the option number B. 37 answer will be option B. Question number 38. Danny has garden that measures 8 by 10 meter. One bag of fertilizer can cover 16 meter square. How many bags will he need to cover the entire garden? Okay, first find the area of the garden. AG I am writing here. It is your 8 multiplied by 10, that is your 80 meter square. Now number of fertilizer bags required. How can we find? So total area, that is your 80 centimeter, and the area covered by single bag. So 16 fives are, so that is 5 bags. We need 5 fertilizers bag to cover the complete area. That is in the option number A. The 38th answer will be option A. Question number 39. Find the area of the figure. This is the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle you already know. Half into base into height. तो ये हो गया आपका half into 3 into 2. 2 cancel. 3 centimeter square. Option A. 39th answer will be option A. Question number 40. A rectangle has 7 meter more than its breadth. Okay. If the breadth of the rectangle is 6 meter, then what is the area of the rectangle? B is given 6 meter, and it is said that L is 7 more than the breadth. So 6 plus 7, that is your 13 meter. Okay. So area of the rectangle will be length multiplied by breadth. That is your 78 meter square. It is in the option number A. What the answer is option A. Okay. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.